Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Truebill, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Truebill, visit the official website or download the app from your app store. Create an account by entering your email address and choosing a secure password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, link your bank account by providing the necessary information. Truebill uses bank-level encryption to ensure your data is secure. Next, allow the app to analyze your spending habits. The app will identify subscriptions, recurring charges. Review the list of subscriptions that Truebill has found. Select subscriptions you wish to cancel or negotiate. To cancel a subscription, follow the prompts provided by Truebill. If you opt to negotiate, Truebill will handle the process for you. You'll receive updates on the status of your negotiations. Monitor your spending habits through the budgeting features in the app. Set up custom alerts to keep track of your expenses. Explore the features that allow you to manage your bills efficiently. Take advantage of any suggestions for better savings or financial planning. Review your progress regularly to stay on top of your finances. Consider upgrading to a premium account for additional features if needed. With Truebill, you'll gain insights into your financial health over time. Stay proactive about managing your subscriptions and expenses for long-term savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.